Come to how to do. Want to automate your income tax calculations in Excel based on different tax tiers? Let's use the if function. Step 1. Understand the tax slabs. Here's an example of the tax brackets. 0% for income up to 1.8 rupees million per annum. 6% for the next 1 million rupees. 18% for the next 500,000 rupees. 24% for the next 500,000 rupees. 30% for the next 500,000 rupees. 36% for anything above. Step 2. Start the formula. In Excel, we'll build a if formula. Let's say your monthly taxable income is in cell C4. Based on monthly income in cell C4. Cell C5 generates annual income when multiplied by 12. Then you can see tax slabs as explained above. I have used if function to identify taxable amount based on the value in cell C5, which is annual income. Here you can see if function used to identify if income is greater than 1.8 million. Taxable amount column shows 1.8 million if not value in C5 shows as result. Then in D9. Cell result will be. If difference between C5 and D8 is greater than C9, cell result will be value in C9, that is 1 million. If not, result will be difference. Same logic continue till D10, D11, and D12. But only in cell D13 if difference of annual income and already calculated taxable amount is greater than 0, result will be that difference. If not, result will be 0. Then under tax column I have used if taxable amount D8 is greater than 0, result will be rate multiplied by taxable amount will be shown. Unless result will be 0. Here tax will be 0 when tax rate is 0% on first 1.8 million, so there is no tax burden. Under 6% tax rate, first 1 million exceeding 1.8 million will be taxed on 6%. So function given as if D9 cell is greater than 0, the value will be multiplied by 6%, and if there is no value, result will be 0. Then cell E10, E11, E12. I have used same logic. So finally you can see whatever the value given under monthly income, monthly tax payable can be seen under monthly tax due E16 and F14 cells, where E16 cell divided total tax due amount from 12 and cell F14 shows total of monthly different tax tiers results. Now, Excel calculates tax based on income tier, automatically applying the correct rate per slab. Always break down your formula in parts and test with different values to ensure accuracy. If this helped, like and subscribe to How to Do for more smart Excel tricks, and ring that bell for notifications.